Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. Alright, so let's begin with the video. When you encounter issues with a promo code on Uber Eats, there could be multiple reasons behind the problem. One common issue is that the promo code might have expired. If this is the case, try entering a different promo code. If the new code also fails, attempt a third one to see if the issue persists. If all the promo codes continue to generate errors, you might need to take further steps. One useful approach is to uninstall and reinstall the Uber Eats app. Sometimes app glitches or outdated software can cause issues with promo codes. Reinstalling the app can refresh it and potentially resolve the problem. Another effective solution is to clear the app's cache. This process helps eliminate any temporary files or data that might be causing the error. To clear the cache, open your phone settings and search for the apps or app settings section. Once found, click on it and you will find all of your installed apps. Here, find and select the Uber Eats app. Once you're in the Uber Eats app settings, tap on Storage and then choose the option to clear cache and then clear data. This action will reset the app, clearing out any cache files that might be causing the issue. After clearing the cache and data, reopen Uber Eats. The app should now function as if it were newly installed. This can often resolve the problems with applying promo codes. If none of these steps work, consider contacting Uber Eats customer support for further assistance. They can help identify and resolve any underlying issues that might be affecting the promo codes. Hopefully, these steps will help you resolve the issue and successfully apply your promo code on Uber Eats. So that's basically how you can fix Uber Eats promo not applied. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.